Hello, my name is Alexis. I'm a graduate from the MIT ReACT program from last year, 2022. As you can see, I have proof. I want to talk about a little bit about the experience itself, about being part of the MIT ReACT program here in Uruguay. Um, First and foremost, it was amazing. It is something that actually changed my life in ways that are deeper that I can actually explain, especially because being an immigrant and being involved in this kind of actions, this big minds in the West, is something that at first you don't believe yourself that you are able to do it until you actually do it and you are part of it. And I want, of course, say that thanks to this program, I managed to change my job. Right now, I'm an AR specialist from International Travel Group, that is the leader company in luxury travel in the US. And that was only possible first for the program itself, for the MIT ReACT, and also for my coach, that is Keith Spencer. Keith was a godsend. He was really patient. We really hit off together, and I do believe that because of him, because of actually all the things he taught me, I was able to actually snatch this job. He taught me how to create a better resume. He taught me how to prepare myself for an interview, what are the keywords I need to take in consideration, and what I'm looking for, and how to adapt myself into the role I'm looking for. But without the skills that I got through the program, that I learned about finance, even though I'm an economist, but I got a deeper understanding of finance. I participated in innovation and leadership program for the MIT bootcamp. That is a different ball game altogether, and it was like an experience in itself. It was amazing, all the things I learned and all the people I met. And not only I now feel confident as a professional in this highly competitive world that is the one we are living, I also feel like really valued by the people I met here. I actually believe that I got friends. And even though I have, for more or less job reasons, being a little bit disconnected from the main group, I still have all of them here in my heart, and it's a lovely experience. And I will recommend anybody who can actually apply to it just to do it and give it a shot. I when I did apply, I thought that I blew the actual application, and it wasn't until actually Gillian contacted me directly and asked me, why do you want to subscribe to the program? Are you okay? And that's when it hit me, and I thought, okay, oh wow, this is the real deal. Actually, I'm going to study with the MIT people, and it was crazy. For me, it was extremely surreal at the beginning, and also when I actually started doing it, became really hard, but it was amazing, and I will do it all over again. I didn't think about that. I will do it all over again, every single step. And well, I hope that if you're watching this, it means that you're going to do it again. You are also going to do it. Peace.